Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Out of these 3 rings, which one would you prefer for your husband to wear? I got these rings from MAUI Rings for my husband to use at work. It's a little bit dangerous for him to wear metal because his hand can get caught on machinery. And he also almost lost his ring one time. So we decided to go the silicone ring route. I really like these rings because they are really durable. They have a thick band, so they look really good on. And they're made of natural silicone that does not cause any skin irritation. They're latex free, so there's no aggravating the skin while wearing these rings. The rings are easy to clean and they're true to size, so they fit really well. And I love how each of them has its own distinct personality. So you have the black as well as the graphite gray, and then you also have this gold color. So each of them has a matte look. The gold is a little bit shinier, as gold should be. And just overall, we're really impressed with the quality and durability and feeling of these rings. The silicone is smooth both on the outside and the inside, making these rings really comfortable to wear. If you have someone that you love that is in a job where it's really not good for them to wear gold jewelry, or maybe you just want to change up your look a little bit, then go with the silicone rings from MAUI Rings. You will be really happy with them, and they look awesome and they feel great as well. And that's just my point of view.